I purchased DJI Osmo Action 5 for my moto vlogging. This is the adventure combo, and I will be unboxing this beast with you guys today. So that's how the accessories are inside this particular package. This is an adventure combo, and I believe this is camera, but I'll open it later. So this is the extension rod which we get with this, kind of a selfie stick, I guess, and this comes with the adventure combo only, I guess. And I think this is a magnetic mount. So this is cover we get for the protection. Although I've heard that camera is pretty solid in itself, but if you need an extra protection, you can put in camera, you can put in this case, and then you can have an extra protection with it. It's the DJI Action 5 Pro, and it just looks incredible. It's tiny, the weight is very fine, the design is good, and I think I'm going to continue the remaining video. So this is the camera right now. I haven't opened it yet. I'll remove the sticker so that I've placed a light on the side so that you guys can have a close-up look and you can see how the lens shines. So this is me doing it for the first time, and that's how it looks without the lenses, without the lens cover. I mean, get a battery. I will place this battery here, and so this now I will be recording my video on DJI Action 5 Pro as this has been unboxed, and you guys can differentiate between the quality on the phone and quality on the camera. I believe it's still running on 1K, and I'll later on shoot on 4K as well, but I think this is incredibly nice to see that the clarity and the quality this camera has. These are the remaining accessories we got. I'm sorry for the lighting, but I didn't had any professional setup. I just unboxed it at my home, and I just wanted to thank you guys for tuning in, and I would request you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This channel is going to be dedicated to moto vlogs mostly. I will also post a review of this camera on this channel after I use it for a couple of months or maybe a couple of weeks. And for all the bike enthusiasts, you can just come and enjoy the channel. I will be posting a lot of POV rides once all my gear is ready. I have ordered the mask, the chin mounts, and all the things which are required. Once everything is ready, I'm going to take rides across the city, and at night my city is incredibly beautiful. I live in Hyderabad, and once everything is ready, I'm going to take you guys across for POV rides, and hopefully after a few months I'll take long tour rides as well, from Hyderabad to maybe Pune and Mumbai if possible. So until then, see you guys, and I hope you all guys keep having fun on this channel. Bye bye.